Let me tell you, by the way, you cannot manage what you did not hustle for. You cannot manage it. You cannot manage somebody's sweat. The money will do boom bam, vanish. I had some of these Yorubas say, Igbo should leave Southwest. They want to take over. What you did not hustle for, you cannot manage it. The only thing you can manage is, it will not take you time to sell it because you need money to maintain it. Those people who built it had the money to maintain it. And that is why you see, let me give you an instance. You see big men children, many of them don't do well because they're enjoying a wealth that is not directly worked for by them. They're enjoying somebody's wealth. Only the big men children you see doing well are the ones that join their father in the hustle. That is the case with you who wants to occupy Igbo property in the Southwest. And by the way, remember, the Igbo people said they were tired of Nigeria, that they don't want to be Nigerians anymore. Your fathers joined the army to fight to make Igbo people part of Nigeria again. They want to be on their own. Igbo cannot go. Igbo cannot go. Still you. Igbo cannot go. They will not have their Biafra. But you're chasing them away from Lagos. You say Igbo cannot go. You're chasing them away just because of your greed. You want to occupy what they worked for.